What's up, YouTube? Dazwell Beats back with another video. If this your first time to the channel, as always, welcome. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button to get notified whenever I drop some heat. Alright, today I'm gonna just walk through the melody for you, show you the steps that I took to come up with the melody. Alright, so and let me show you what I did to make this soulful melody. Alright, I can hear Drake, I can hear Meek, I can hear Ross, I can hear a lot of people on this track, man. So let me know in the comments who you can hear after the video. Alright, just let's go. It's fire, trust me. It's already halfway done. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright, so now we inside the MPC. The first thing that I used was the stage EP, was this right here, this piano right here. Hold on, let me put my headphones on. Alright, let's go. This is the first sound again. Let's bring it back. Is this stage EP right here, alright? So let's go. Let's get it. Alright, it's simple, man. So if you want to know what I did with this chord progression, it's just a simple right here. These four, pitch this one, this note right here, moved it up here, right? And then this note, moved it here. And then this note, I moved it here. So then what I did was I copied all that and moved it to track 2. Once I went to track 2, then I opened up another stage piano, right? But this time I used the suitcase. So let's hear what that sound like with it, both of them together. It's just a subtle difference. It have a different, like a little echo now, right? It's just a subtle difference. Alright, so after I did that, then I went to track 3, copied all that, and then I added the string to it, right? But only thing I changed up was these two notes right here, right? And listen, and then I pitched it up. I pitched the strings up like 1 octave. So listen. Alright, so I'm liking that so far, man. That sound real good. Alright, so remember, it's still all the same MIDI pattern. All of it is the same pattern. We just making it sound more full, right? Then we went to the organ, same MIDI notes, we moved it over. The only thing I'm doing is moving it up and down the octave, right? Some of them is staying in the same octave. Now this is with the organ right here. You hear the organ have like a little vibrato in there. Alright, so after I did the organ, went to track 5, same notes, right? But then I picked up a Fabric Excel. Where is that? Made it into a ARP. And then this is what it sound like together. Everything together now. This one I pitched up a whole octave. Alright, remember, nothing has changed. Only thing I changed was the string right here, right? And moved some of them up an octave, or down, not down. I moved it up an octave. All right. Now we went to track 6, and I wanted the little texture in there. So where I get this texture from? I think I got this out of decap bundle, one of the decaps bundle. It's a little texture. Added it in there, and this is what it sound like. I turned it down low, and I put a Pro EQ on there because I just wanted it in the background. All right, you can hardly hear it, but it's there. Listen. All right, so after I did that with the texture, all right, so I went to track 7. And this is where I add the little vox or vocals inside that new duets. I told y'all in my last video, I'm going to be using this duets, man. It's fire. Trust me, it's fire. I love it. All right, so let's get out the sequence. And this is what it sound like. All right, let's bring you with it. Let's bring it with everything in there. All right, so after I got all of that, what I did was I bounced it out to an audio, not an audio track. I bounced it out to a sample. So what I did, I bounced the sample, right? And here go the sample right here. But when I made the beat, it was on 120. So what I did was I pitched the semitones up, 3 semitones, and then I boost the BPM to 160. I made it in 120, but then I boosted to 160. And then once I boosted to 160, this is what the audio sound like now. So this is what the whole sample sound like after I bounced it to audio. All right, now what I did was pitched it up 3 and then turn the sample up to 160. All right, turn the BPM up to 160, and let's listen what it sound like now. All right, so that's it, man. That was the melody that I created. So once I create that melody, you know I had to put some drums on there, right? I'm not going through the drums. I'm just going to turn the melody on, and once it loop, then I'm going to turn the drums on. And y'all let me know if y'all feeling it. What's up, all right? Let's go. Listen. The drums about to come in. It's fire, man. Let's go. Peace. I'm out, man. That's it for me, man. Alright. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Alright. Let's go. Let's get it. Always remember to save your work. I put automatic save on because you know how the MPC work. Sometimes you working and it just. So always do auto save, man. Alright. So let's go. Let's get it. Turn it up!